Posa just put her muddy hoof in the water. I guess she had to put some minerals in there. Yeah, had to get some good solid dirt and minerals in there, some clay maybe. Improve the water quality. Yeah. You'd think everybody would be really thirsty, wouldn't you? The big white trough is what I'll fill in the winter and put a heater in there. But for now, it's best to have the smaller trough and just fill it more frequently. Now, a lower ranking horse like Zeta is going to have to wait her turn. Of course, Big Mama gets to drink, and Montaro whenever they want. Montaro just moved Odie. And Montaro, as you can see, is very happy to share. He's like a very good leader. He doesn't matter how many horses share his water or his hay pile, as long as they're not being obnoxious. He's well, usually happy to share, but now he's moved them. You're supposed to be thirsty. All of you are supposed to be thirsty because there's no water left in that water hole. So how come there's hardly any water that's been drunk? Are you guarding the water trough, Juno? Well, I filled up another one in here where I showed Big Mama. So they can come in through the gate at the bottom there. But they seem to be stuck up around here. You guys saw Big Mama. Yeah, you're the one I'm worried about, Cobra. You're the one I want to make sure gets some water. Finally you let Cobra have something to drink. No. Cobra, go down and around. Come on, you should follow me. Come on, Cobra. Come on. Come on. There's water next door. You just have to go down and around. You need some wild oregano on your chest too, don't you? You've been biting at you there. Yeah. And you want some wild oregano there too. Ooh. Are they biting at you there too? Can I touch it? Thank you. Yeah, you want me to, he wants me to put wild oregano. Is wild oregano more important than water right now? Yeah, okay. All right, we'll finally, they've moved away. Cobra and Macaw can have their water, but now Mama feels like she's stuck in here. Mama, you have to go down and out the gate. Okay? I've got to deal with the boiler right now. I've got to help the repair guy. So everybody's drunk. And they don't like it compared to their water hole water. They've hardly drunk anything. And they've tried to make it more muddy and clayey so it's got better water quality for them. But this is why there's no point putting out well water troughs for these horses if they still have groundwater anywhere on the ranch, because they'll drink They'll drink the natural groundwater before they'll drink well water any day of the week. Look at those mountains and those clouds. So beautiful. You gonna put your foot in there too? Well, go ahead. I mean, fix it to your liking. I don't mind. I'm not gonna stop you.